We hear a lot about thinking outside the box, creating new and innovative ideas. Some people prefer to think inside the box and follow old methods that have worked for generations. But no one ever thinks about the box. Beck's Lignalock wooden nails, combined with system packagings from Axum, means a new world of crating. The ecological benefits of wood change the way we think about reusing packaging components. Systems that can transport heavy loads, strength without causing environmental pain, long and far distances with reliable security. And good partners create good collaborations. That means ideas can come together. Strength comes from innovation and building upon the knowledge of generations. Sometimes it pays to think about the box itself, to make sure that important things reach their destination and complete their journey safely, over and over and over again. Beck Lignalock, Axum, thinking about the box.